The cinema lobby is very bright and busy today.
Many people want to see the new adventure film.
Look at that poster with the giant purple dragon.
It looks like a great story for a Saturday evening.
I hope the tickets are not too expensive for us.
The price is lower because we are here early.
Hello, we would like 2 tickets for the fantasy movie.
Please choose 2 seats in the middle of the hall.
I prefer to sit far away from the big screen.
The middle row is perfect for your brown eyes, Sophie.
Is the movie 2 hours long or even more?
The screen says it is 100 minutes of action.
That is a good length for a fantasy story.
Here are your tickets and a small paper map.
Thank you for helping us choose the best time.
We have 15 minutes before the first scene begins.
Should we wait here or go to the snack bar?
I am a little bit hungry after our long walk.
The smell of fresh popcorn is all around the room.
It is the best smell in the whole world, right?
For me, the smell of old books is even better.
You are a true English teacher, even at the cinema.
I love stories in books and on the big screen.
Let's move to the line for the snacks and drinks.
The line is moving very fast, so we have time.
I want a large bucket of salty popcorn today.
I prefer the sweet popcorn with caramel on top.
Maybe we can buy a mix of both flavors together.
That is a wonderful idea to make us both happy.
Let's get some cold water, too. It is quite warm.
Look at the size of that popcorn bucket, Jack.
It is giant, but I am very hungry this evening.
We can share it during the long dragon scenes.
I have the salty half on the right side.
And I have the sweet caramel half on the left.
Do you want some chocolate raisins with your popcorn?
No, thank you. The popcorn is enough for me.
I also bought 2 bottles of cold sparkling water.
Sparkling water is very refreshing when it is hot.
My hands are full. Can you hold the tickets?
I will put the tickets in my small pink pocket.
Don't lose them or we cannot enter the hall.
I am very careful with important things, don't worry.
The man behind the counter was very polite and fast.
He sees hundreds of hungry people every single day.
I see a small stand with movie toys over there.
The dragon toy looks very cute and very soft.
Maybe I will buy it for you after the movie.
That is very kind, but let's watch the film first.
The bells are ringing. It is time to go inside.
We need to find hall number 4 on this floor.
It is at the end of the long red carpet.
The carpet feels very soft under my shoes today.
The lights in the hallway are getting a bit darker.
It helps our eyes get ready for the big screen.
Please hold the popcorn for a second, Sophie.
I have it. It is still very warm and smells great.
I am looking for the door with the big number.
Hall number 4 is right here, Jack. Let's enter.
I am excited to see the magic begin at last.
It is very dark inside this large cinema hall.
Watch your step. The floor goes down very slowly.
My ticket says we are in row number 12.
12 is quite high up, which is very good.
I see the numbers on the side of the chairs.
7, 8, 9. We are almost at our place.
Here are our seats, right in the center, Jack.
These blue velvet chairs look very comfortable and soft.
Sit down and put your drink in the cup holder.
I am putting the popcorn bucket between us now.
The screen is huge. It covers the whole front wall.
There are many advertisements before the main movie starts.
I like watching the trailers for future films too.
Look, that is a trailer for a new funny comedy.
The actors look very silly and the jokes are good.
We should come back to see that one next month.
I will mark the date in my teacher's diary later.
The music is getting louder and the lights are low.
Please turn off your mobile phone, Jack. It is loud.
I am switching it to silent mode right this moment.
It is important to be quiet for the other people.
The hall is almost full of families and young kids.
Everyone is waiting for the dragon to appear on screen.
I hope the special effects are realistic and very bright.
Disney movies always have the most beautiful 2D art.
The hand-drawn style is my favorite type of animation.
It has so much charm and very soft character lines.
The main credits are starting to move across the screen.
Shh! The story is beginning. Let's watch and listen.
I am ready for a great adventure in a magic land.
Write 1 English word in comments. 5 people get 10 English lessons free.
That giant dragon is not scary. He is very lonely.
The hero is trying to talk to the creature quietly.
This is a very emotional scene for the main character.
I like the colors of the magic forest on the screen.
The green and blue lights are very pretty and soft.
Look out! The bad soldiers are coming to the forest.
Oh no! I hope the dragon can fly away fast.
He's opening his large wings and jumping into the sky.
The music is very fast and a little bit scary.
This is the most exciting part of the whole movie.
I am holding the popcorn bucket very tight, Jack.
Don't worry, the hero has a clever plan to win.
He is using a mirror to reflect the bright sunlight.
That is a very smart way to stop the enemy soldiers.
The animation is moving so fast and looks so fluid.
I love the way the water splashes in the river scene.
The dragon is safe again and the soldiers are gone.
Everyone in the cinema hall is very quiet and still.
We are all waiting to see the happy ending together.
The hero and the dragon are friends for a lifetime.
This story teaches us about kindness and very true bravery.
It is a great lesson for your students at school, Sophie.
I will tell them about this beautiful film on Monday.
The sun is rising on the screen. The colors are warm.
The final song is starting, and it sounds very sweet.
I am glad we chose this movie for our Saturday night.
It is much better than staying at home with the TV.
The adventure is over, but the feeling is still here.
The credits are starting to roll up the dark screen.
Let's wait for a minute and listen to the music.
The lights are coming on, and it is very bright.
My eyes feel a little bit strange after the dark.
That was the most beautiful movie I saw this year.
I am happy that the lonely dragon found a family.
Check the floor to see if we dropped anything, Jack.
I have my phone and the empty popcorn bucket here.
I have my water bottle and my small pink jacket.
We should put the trash in the big bin outside.
The people are moving slowly towards the exit door.
Let's wait for the crowd to pass through the hallway.
The music in the lobby is different from the movie.
It is much more modern and a bit too loud for me.
I still have the dragon song in my head, Jack.
It was a very catchy and very peaceful melody, Sophie.
We are back in the main area of the big cinema.
The evening air will feel very cold after this warm hall.
I am putting on my jacket before we walk outside.
I see the toy stand again near the glass doors.
Do you still want to buy that small purple dragon?
Yes, it is a perfect memory of our great evening today.
He is very soft and has the same big eyes as the movie.
I will pay for it with my card very quickly.
Thank you, Jack. I will put it on my teacher's desk.
Your students will ask many questions about the new toy.
I will use it to talk about adjectives and colors.
You never stop being a teacher, even on your break.
It is a part of who I am, and I love my work.
Let's go to the exit and see the city lights.
The stars are out and the moon is very bright.
It is a perfect end to a very magical movie night.
The city at night looks a bit like the magic forest.
The street lamps are the glowing flowers on the path.
You are being very poetic this evening, my friend.
A good movie makes me think about beautiful things.
Which part of the story was your absolute favorite?
I liked when the dragon shared his fruit with the hero.
It was a very simple and very sweet moment of friendship.
And you, Sophie? What made you smile the most?
I loved the scene where they fly over the silver lake.
The reflection of the wings in the water was amazing.
It reminded me of a dream I had a long time ago.
Maybe one day we can travel to a real big mountain.
That would be an adventure for our own real life.
We don't have a dragon, but we have a small car.
A car is much safer than flying on a giant creature.
But a dragon is much faster and doesn't need gas.
You are funny, Jack, and always make me laugh.
Are you tired after sitting in the cinema for so long?
I am a little bit stiff, so the walk is very good.
We are almost at your apartment building, Sophie.
Thank you for the tickets, the popcorn, and the toy.
It was a pleasure to spend the evening with you.
We should do this again when the comedy movie comes.
I will check the website for the next showtime soon.
Have a safe walk to your house. The streets are quiet.
I will text you when I am home and safe, Sophie.
Good night, Jack, and thank you for the magic memories.
Good night, Sophie. See you at school on Monday morning.
She waves her hand and holds her new dragon toy.
He smiles and walks away under the bright yellow moon.